afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here, 2012 government past questions. Question number 19. Question number 19 says an electoral system in which parties are assigned seats in the parliament commensurate to the number of votes pooled is dash. An electoral system in which parties are assigned seats in the parliament commensurate to the number of votes pooled is dash. A. Absolute majority. B. Simple majority. C. Proportional representation. D. Indirect election. So to commensurate the number of votes is known as what we call proportional representation. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.